Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your girl Two Fly. I'm bringing you a video that I have taken inspiration from TikTok. That's right, that cool tortilla sandwich. Listen, I had a hankering for some buffalo chicken, so I made me a buffalo chicken salad wrap. Me and Sean thought this was one of the most incredible things ever because we put that bad boy on the grill, toasted it up, got that cheese all nice and melty, and it was such a treat, especially after we've been killing ourselves in the gym. So listen, stick around for the video and let me know what you think. I'm going to do a buffalo chicken salad wrap. Let's get into it. And this is organic too, so that's the good thing. It's minimally processed. So I'm going to go ahead and season these bad boys up. Alright, now I had them laying on paper towel because I wanted to create a surface for my cutting board so that way I don't cross-contaminate. Get that nice, see that bubbling action? That's when you know it's time to go. Alright, so that way you're minimally touching everything. Okay, and then just go ahead and hit it with the rest of that seasoning. If you do remember, you always tighten it in so far. Alright, see that? That's what you're looking for. Nice caramelization. Go ahead and pull these bad boys off. And you see how it's smoking? Wipe the pan off. Let this pan cool down because it's not fair to the next batch of chicken that comes in to be just immediately burnt like that. So always wipe the pan off.
Question.
Yes.
But don't you want that good seasoning on there?
It's not, it's burnt. So what it's going to do is alter the taste of the food. So like I said, that batch of chicken is nice and golden brown and buttery. The next batch is going to be burnt, charred.
But you've heard that ideology before of keeping
Yeah.
the juices on there.
And I'm just using it as a guide. Go ahead and give it a few slits. And we're going to let the knife do the work. Again, pan here, kneel down. Good grip on that knife. And as you can see, my knife never comes up off the cutting board. That is a good way to ensure that you have ultimate control of the knife. Great aroma to your food. And it just gives so much flavor. So like I said, but I just went with something that I knew that was good.
Kraft.
No, this is like a store brand. So we're going and dicing up all that chicken. Let's go and give Babe a taste.
Mmm.
What?
This literally makes me think of keeping you around. Like, you have no idea how much of this helps our relationship.
Are you serious?
It does, man.
You only have me around to cook.
I mean, you're good at other stuff too, but it's like,
That's so sad.
if I was like, we're like getting divorced, I would ask for the cooking to get it out of the divorce. Like, if she can come up and cook like twice a week.
You're gonna put that in?
Yeah, I'm gonna throw that in there.
This is happening. This guy around.
Do you get a special spoon to stir?
Yeah, but like I said, I just moved, guys, so.
I could have got you a spoon. I just don't know what you needed to get.
Well, like you said, I would like to do everything in one shot. So that way, you know.
So what is the grand total of everything you need? 50 bucks?
It's a little bit more expensive. Break up the dish. Yogurt.
It smells good.
Cheese.
Feta cheese.
I actually have feta cheese of that. What I put as far as the meat juice. should be probably eating. Trust me, the sinful part is going to be the butter. More Gorgonzola. Wait, I mean.
Every portion that you taste, I feel like I should be involved in the tasting. And you're making your own blue cheese sauce.
Yeah, basically, I just made my own. We're going to cut shavings or thin slices. Yeah. Let me see. So we're going to fold it this way. All right. So I'm going to put some tomato down.
Where you're placing it on the circle is significant.
That dandelion green. And then I'm going to spoon in this buffalo sauce.
I'm so hungry.
Why you gotta say it like that? Right. That's just gonna help it make it all stick together and stuff. There we go. The cool thing is you can make a few of these. Because like I said, we focus more on the vegan side or vegetarian too, but let's go ahead and fold this guy. So we have that portion.
Origami.
Yeah.
And then you cook the whole thing, you know.
Yep.
Before. Why you think get a spatula? I got your spatula. I didn't know you needed that.
Real chefs know.
Why do you care how much what it looks like?
Because presentation is everything.
Oh, taste was everything.
That's true. Ready to cut to this bad boy?
I am. Ready to eat it actually, but I'm saying I got stuff to do. Got that crunchy action.
Yeah, you hit the first one.
Word. You know what? You know what?
That's
Trying to stop.
That shit banging, right?
That is banging.
Alright, let me go in.
Got a nice little spicy kick to it too.
Whoa.
I like that. You need to write this on my list. I told you, got to build a list. 15 items.